Tabata Tuesday. Tabata Tuesday. Remember, Tabatas are 20 seconds of work, 10-second break. 20 seconds of work, 10-second break. This time we're going to break our Tabatas into two. Usually they are 8 rounds, but we're going to break them into 4 and 4. So our first one is going to be bottom to bottom Tabata squats. 20 seconds of squats. Ten-second break is at the bottom. And then you go right back to your squats again. 10 seconds at the bottom. Next, we're going to body weight thruster. Same rules. 20 seconds of work. 10-second break. 20 seconds of work. 10-second break. So, squats and thrusters are your first two. For 20 seconds of work, 10-second break, 4 rounds each. On your squats, bottom to bottom squats, 4 rounds, and then move into your body weight thruster, 4 rounds. After that, you're going to turn over and you're going to put push-ups and the tabletop together. So 20 seconds of push-ups, 10-second break. 20 seconds push-ups, 10-second break. 4 rounds. Then you're going to turn over, tabletop the same way. 20 seconds of work, 10-second break. 4 rounds. After that, we're going to finish with the easy one, which is simply going to be RDLs or .20 seconds of work. Each leg twice. It's going to be 4 rounds. Then you're going to go stagger squat right here. Make sure your knee meets your toe up here. Again, 20 seconds of work. 10-second break. Switch legs each time. 20 seconds of work. 10 seconds break. That should be the end of your 3rd rounds of Tabatas. 4 and 4. Should be a nice, easy workout. It didn't feel easy this morning, though. So enjoy. This is Coach DC. Make it a great day. Peace.